Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the DiDi app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the DiDi app on your device. And once you open it up, you will be asked to sign up or log in using your phone number or your Facebook and Gmail account. You can proceed with entering your phone number and choosing your country code. Make sure to tap on the I agree button and then tap on next. You will then be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your phone. Just check your SMS and you will find this code. You can just enter this code within the given box and proceed forward. And now you will directly be taken into the application. If you wish to edit your profile, just tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and then tap on Edit Personal Info to edit your name as well as set up a picture and change your email, password, and modify other settings as well. And now you have successfully been signed up to your brand new account on the DiDi app. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the DiDi application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.